Let's go, boys. I made it to the ride. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but I made it. Oh shit, there's a curve there. Two-stroke. So ready to ride, man. You guys don't even know, but it's been weeks. I haven't rode since April 13th, pretty much. Oh! Don't hit me. Don't hit me. I'm not good anymore. I suck. Bike too torquey. Torque monster. Alright, we're getting it. So I hit my first knee knocker scrape last night when I was test riding this bike after getting everything like all fixed up and whatever. And something feels weird. I guess it's okay. And yeah, so I keep going really far back and not scraping. Is he doing a one-hander? Yeah, yeah. Do that one-handed tie. This thing makes rattly, janky noises. Just learn to drag the scrapes. Scrape a knee knocker. Go for the scrape. Well, there's a scrape in the knee knocker. Woo! By the curb. No thanks, I don't want to hit no curves today, boy. I need to get my handbrake down. I need some lot practice. Just when I started to work on it, my damn chain broke off. Which I guess you don't even know because I never told y'all. But my chain broke. I think the master link just broke. That's why you don't trust clip-on master links. I was told that. I should have listened. Every time something goes wrong, it's usually from me not listening to advice. One-hander and a knee knocker. Man, what have I been missing out on while I've been out, dude? Like make a turn on a quad, but I feel like it might be harder than on a bike though. Because the bike you just lean. The quad, like they hook their foot and like pick that shit up and like yank it. I don't know. Fire trucks do be the first ones there though. You know, I actually, a little earlier, I considered trying to combo from knee knocker to stand up on my sub cage, and I just realized my sub cage isn't even on my bike anymore. And because I didn't put it all back together, I lost one of the bolts on both sides. I lost one. Man, damn it. All my fucking bolts are coming out. Blue Loctite, literally everything. Like anytime you ever take out a bike or a bolt for your bike, blue Loctite as much as you can, dude. You can't just tighten stuff really tight. I guess you gotta Loctite. Of course, I Loctited this stuff, and obviously that didn't work. It's not a problem until I get home. Huh? Yeah, I'll race you to the end of the light. Yeah. All right. Hey, there's a cop right there. Let's see what the cop does. Top of the morning to you, sir.